drinking water. Drinking water. Okay. Move. Let's move. Okay, drinking water. Not all set, huh? And here is their coffee, black coffee. Okay. I want to change to tea. Chinese, original Chinese tea. Original Chinese tea. This one is original Chinese tea. Nè. Theo bạn cũng điệp trà chơi.นะครับเดี๋ยวเรามาเดทกันนะนัดเดท from Martha Dang restaurant. Tea from Martha Dang Tamilam intersection, Thailand, Southern. They're very popular in local people. Cho, clip. นี่มันผูกนี้ไม่ได้นะเดี๋ยวมันหกมึงมาผูกแบบไหมนะเดี๋ยวผมดูนะวิธีการผูกI heard something like the telephone is ringing. Someone nearby. Who is the one nearby me? Yeah. Is the right way for why Thai song tea. Yeah, very good. It's a Thai wisdom, Thai local wisdom. Most of Thai people can buy this bag. Okay. Thúng keng, this bag, the bag, plastic bag. Most of Thai people can buy it. And then you're gonna move it, the milk tea and normal tea, Chinese original tea, to the refrigerator. And you ice it. This one is ice number 1, ice 2, ice 3, 4, ice 5, ice 6, ice 7, ice 8, 9, and 10. Okay. And suck. Who's that? Then we have to put the main herb for Thai local man, for Southern local man, good herb. Yeah, and put it a bit. Okay, take it in a bit, not too much. It make you alert all day. So it's good. Okay, let's mix with and this Okay, it's all finished. Yeah, it's all finished. Good taste. Bye bye.